How to change my phone number in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change my phone number in Shopee. First, go to your web browser and search for Shopee.com. Tap to open its official website. Make sure your screen is in its desktop version. Once you're in, zoom in on your screen and tap on your profile from the top right corner of your screen. Here, select the Edit Profile option. Now from Details, select Edit Phone Number, and here you can edit your number. Add a new number and tap on Next to save these changes. This is how you can change a mobile number in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.